got you.
You need utensils? You are welcome. Is there anybody else? Like, you know,
Wow. All this will be finished if we get
inside.
We just walk or you mean like walk?
Can we see here?
Yeah.
Sure.
I just walk and
Yeah, man. You want to go
What you say?
Me want to go Jamaica. Me want to go Kingston.
Say yeah man again. Say yeah man again.
We want to get some, what's it called? Oh,
What?
oxtail.
Ah.
Oxtail. And some beans.
Yeah?
How do you call it? Beans. We call it beans.
Rice and peas.
Yeah, man.
That's right, yeah man.
You have the best one. I tried it from a Jamaican
Oh, yeah?
lady. I really love it.